Hello and welcome on board. Welcome to Flagship and welcome in this fully electric boat. In 2025, all the boats on the canals need to be electric. No engine allowed anymore, just due to pollution, climate change. My name is Arthur. I am born and raised in Amsterdam, 35 years old. I'm still studying, doing a course, psychology for fun, so I can read you. And we also have our lovely host, Luna.
Hi everyone. Nice to meet you. I'm Luna. I am from Amsterdam, kind of as well, town near Amsterdam. And I lived in Groningen up north. Don't know if you've ever heard of it, small town. And now I'm living here in this boat over there, and I'm going to be your host today. Of course, that's totally fine, but we offer for 10 euros an unlimited drinks. So that's the only beer we have actually, but and some wines and sodas and everything is for 10 euros unlimited for the. For the wines we have. Oh, sorry, you have a video card. Do you want the second one or?
That should be alright.
And for the wines, we have two types of white wine, Sauvignon Blanc and Chardonnay. We have red wine and we have a lovely rosé. We have alcohol-free beer as well, Coronas. Let me know. I'll start doing the drinks now. Yeah, only for unlimited drinks. If you want to drink cocktails, I'll recommend just
3 meters. Yeah.
3 meters?
3 meters or 10 feet. If you convert it, 10 feet. And we say it's like 1 meter of water, 1 meter of dirt, and 1 meter of bicycles. 15,000 bicycles in the canal. 15,000. Just to bed X, drunk people, I don't know. And we have a special company.
Here are upcoming the 7 stone bridges. So it's all in a row and you can see all 7 bridges in a row. So if you do you want this? Yes, if you take a look here, it's a very nice view of the 7 bridges in a row. For the parking tickets that we were just talking about, they're horrible. You can't park anywhere here and not pay because you will get a fine.
The white and the red one.
Sorry? Yeah, the red and white with the camera on top.
It looks like KFC.
Oh.
No,
KFC.
unfortunately not.
They scan your barcode. Scan your code, your license plate, and when you go to the supermarket or something for 2 minutes, you have a ticket already.
Wow.
But they not only scan for